Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to receive crypto in your Bitget wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the Bitget wallet extension for Chrome. Do note that you can do the same from your mobile device as well. Right now, all we want to do is receive some crypto. And right here, you can see the receive button. Click on it right now. Once you do, all you guys need to do is select the receiving currency. Let's say I want to receive BNB right here, so I'm gonna click on it. And that is it. What you guys need to do is simply share this QR code to the person who is gonna send you the crypto. Likewise, you can also share him the address. Simply click on this copy button and just share it. That is it guys. That's how you receive crypto from your Bitget wallet. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.